Ramon Santiago Jr., June Versosa Jr. Fourth referee is Anthony Lunar. The tip going to the side of the guys in white. Pabantang tira. Pasok yan para kay Andre Acop.
You've been there, right?
Yeah. I've been there 3 times. Couple of times.
You want to be able to take advantage of what seems like a depleted Pasig City team. I'm interested how Warlo Batak will be playing today's ball game. Before the start of the game, actually, parang kaibigan niya lahat ng taga Bulacan because he is a hometown hero in Bulacan. Makata Cup, if I'm not mistaken.
Yun. Mark Barrera for free. Puts it in. Gian Llanes. And these are the games that Pasig City is supposed to win. Especially if they won.
But they're only 3 games behind number 6. But they're also 3 games ahead of number 11. So they don't want to be out of that playoff race. And one team that's knocking on the door is the Bulacan Puyas.
Bulacan, they're actually on the brink of elimination already because they are up by 8 points. Makes his move, pulls up, short. Offensive rebound and put back from March De Leon. Batak, pocket pass to Mark Lopez. Found himself open. The follow-up by Batak is good, plus the foul. The blueprint that he has laid out this year for Pasig City. 3 game winners. You were part of 2, I think.
Yes. Successful Yung subok, ibang tanong yon.
Di pa ang hirap kasi gawin yan?
Mahirap.
Pabandang tira, pasok yan para kay Jem Cruz. Aaron, their second leading scorer, has missed their past couple of games. Fadeaway jumper. Pasok yan para kay Kenneth Castillo. Chance to go up by double figures. But they throw it away. Nice. Assist up ahead. Mintis lang. Pinagkait ng assist si Warlo Batak.
But here he is making the stop.
Jeff Cruz. Sumalaksak sa loob. Lays it in. Too strong. Pasig City dodging a bullet. Jerome Garcia. Thought he got fouled. There was a bump but no whistle. Cruz kicks it out. Jonathan Medina, who's been shooting decently from that distance, knocks down a 3. Bawi naman agad sa kabila si Jerome Garcia in the first quarter. And Castillo, kanina pa nalilibre yung mga outside shots na itong Bulacan.
27 points is too much para dito sa Pasig. They've been giving up a lot of points. The same way they did against Abra. They're struggling in the first quarter defensively.
Flat start ulit para sa Pasig. Benedictus bumitaw sa 3. Got the friendly bounce. First quarter with a basket. Pinabayaan na naman. Gabo Espinosa off to the left. Garcia has time.